people, welcome back to the channel. In case you're new to this channel, let me introduce you. My name is Tanisha and I've been creating a lot of fashion, beauty, lifestyle, fun videos, and I post almost every alternate day. So this is going to be a lot of fun for you guys. Like, there's a lot of videos for you guys, and I thought let's just stand and do the whole try on section for you guys, because obviously let's not waste time sitting and chatting. So yeah, today's video is going to be all about the Myntra sweaters haul. So this is mostly sweaters and pullover section, and jumping to the one that I'm wearing right now, it is absolutely cute, absolutely pretty, the very beautiful pink sort of color that you see over here. This is the one from Sassafras. It's actually a fox fur sort of style. This is obviously not the real fur, this is the fox fur style, and you can see like a baggy sort of sleeve over here with a really nice cuffing done over here, and the feature over here is really cool. This is sort of a crop style that you can see over here, as I'm wearing a high-waisted jeans. So this is a crop style with sort of elastic over here, and then you have really cool pockets, like a cute sort of pocket over here. Like, these are not really large pockets, but these are like for style and all that. And then you have a zipper like this, which you can zip up all the way and cover up your neck as well, so it will give this sort of a look. So this is how it looks like from the back. Really cool, like a simple style, but yet really cute. I love the sleeves of this one, to be very honest, because it's like really baggy sleeves, and then you have this cute sort of neckline, like a collar, and it's like a really thick sort of material over here, so it looks really cute as well. I got this one for only 764 rupees, a very good price. I have got this one in the size large actually, because I wanted to be a little looser than what I saw in the picture. So iske liye I got a size up, but definitely if you go for your own size also, ye bahut perfectly fit hoga. It is perfectly true to size. It's just my personal preference that I wanted to go a little low, like a huge size. And you also have a very cute color option, which is of this blue sort of color. I love this, like a baby blue sort of color, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा है. Same range में है. So you also have this color, and you also have a color option of the gray one. So you can check out both of them. So now I'm just going on to go with the next one that we have over here, and this is going to be a really cute tri-color that you see over here. This is again a pullover that I got from Mast and Harbor. That is also a really cute brand. This one is from Mast and Harbor, and I got this one for only 699 rupees, which is a steal deal for this price, because I love the knitted sort of style of this one. As you can see that it is all knitted and it is so much stretchable. I think so I got this one in the size medium, but definitely I want to size up one size more, because I like the baggy sort of style. If baggy is something that you don't like, then you can definitely go for your own size. It will fit you really nicely, and everything is so cute and nice. I love a little bit of sleeves coming forward and all of that. I love the color combination of this one. Like, color combination is to die for. A very sweet, subtle sort of combination. So I absolutely love it. Iski length bhi kafi achhi hai, but I like to do this, and I like it. Like, it's pretty cute, and I should show you from behind. This is how it looks like, a really cool material. Let's change on to the next one. I think so I got this one from Roadster. So this is how this one looks like. I love the rust orange color. This is called the rust orange color. The color block system over here, it's just such a good color combination, and I love the sleeves. The sleeves are so damn puffy. Can you see? The whole attention goes to the sleeve itself. I love that they have created so much of attention on the sleeves, because the sleeves are like huge and baggy, and it also has colors like that. And this is a simple sort of a thing that you see over here. And this one is a pretty thick sort of material. Okay, it's sort of a fox fur, but at the same time it's like really thick. I got this one in the size medium, and you can see how beautifully it fits me. That's my original size, and it fits really cute and baggy. इसका style ही है थोड़ा सा ऐसा baggy side style का fit होना, but the sleeves look very cute. I got this one for 572 rupees, a steal deal. Roadster, I've seen that Roadster के जो collection है ना, वो काफी affordable range में होते हैं, so you should definitely check out Roadster. They have color option which is going to be in a brown sort of shade, which is this really cute brown shade with beige, brown and beige, which is more like a chocolate brown. Next one, as you can see, a very bright sort of neon color that we have over here. This one is from Mast and Harbor again. This one is such a attention seeker sort of stuff going on over here. Ye jitna, I don't know what is exactly coming up in the screen, but trust me, this one is like a really bright minty green, orange, sorry, yellow sort of color. And this one is the one that has got you covered in light winter, or if you are somebody who is in the region where bahut zyada thand nahi padti. It looks so cool, like it has got me. Oh my god, this cut looks really cute and really nice. I absolutely love this one. Like the stretchability is so good, and the material is like really soft yet really thin, and it's like just making me feel really good. It's so lightweight. I'm just wearing a t-shirt, trust me. This one I got for 538 rupees. Oh my god, all of these sweaters are such a steal deal. Like, come on man, like you get tops for 500 and getting sweaters for 500 is just a next different thing. Move on to the next one, and this could be my favorite one, I have to tell you guys. So let's switch up now. This one is this really stuffy winter, like this calls for winter. Okay, winter aa gaya hai. I love nude colors, that's why I love this off-white sort of color over here with a combination of this really nice chocolate, light chocolate brown sort of color, beige to chocolate brown sort of ke range mein hai ye. And I love the material of this one, like it's really good, really nicely knitted and everything. Finishing bahut hi achhi hai, and definitely the two sleeves that are so different from each other makes the whole look so good. And from the back, as you can see, it's really nice. And obviously the high neck thingy that you have over here is also really cute. If you're somebody who loves or wants to go for like a high neck style, or like you know, like a proper winter sort of high neck style, then you can definitely go for this one. I love this one. This is from Roadster, if I'm not wrong. Yes, this is from Roadster, and this one I got for 808 rupees. This one might be slightly higher in the range, but trust me, it's so good. Like the material is absolutely fine. It looks really nice. It also has a lining at the bottom as well, which is this white sort of lining, and इसकी length almost यहाँ तक proper आपको length आएगी. This one is in the medium size and it fits me so beautifully. You can definitely go for your own size. It's perfectly true to size. And जो color combination है वो एक और color combination है in white plus black. So this is how the white and black wala looks like. This is also a very good color combination, but trust me, if you are somebody who is into nudes and neutrals, then definitely go for this one. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was a lot of fun, and let me know, do you like this new setup? Also, you can suggest me what you want to see next and what you want to see more. And until next time, take care of yourself. Ta-da, bye bye.